Apple just dropped a monster on us. The all-new 15-inch MacBook Air with the M3 chip. Is it the perfect blend of power and portability? Let's dive in and find out. Okay, let's talk design. This MacBook Air stays true to its name. It's lean, mean, and a portability machine. This thing is feather-light and under half an inch thin. Whether you're a student hitting the library or a creative hustling on the go, this laptop is your perfect travel companion. And let's not forget the gorgeous 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display. This isn't just a screen, it's an immersive experience. Whether you're binging your favorite shows or working on intricate design projects, the billion-color display brings everything to life with stunning clarity. Video calls are a breeze with the 1080p FaceTime HD camera, ensuring you always look your best. And the 3 mics and 6 speaker system with spatial audio provide crystal clear audio for both meetings and movie nights. Need to connect your essentials? No worries. The MacBook Air comes with a variety of ports, including Thunderbolt 4 for ultra-fast data transfer. And the battery life? Let's just say you can leave the charger at home. The M3 chip delivers an insane up to 18 hours of battery life, so you can work or play all day long without a single worry. Look, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but what about the price? Well, the best part is, the 15-inch MacBook Air with M3 chip starts at a very reasonable $1,180. That's a fantastic value for the power and performance you're getting. Yes! Head down to the description below for the link to purchase your very own MacBook Air with M3 chip. Don't miss out on this incredible machine.